In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Bluetooth from automatically turning off in Windows 11 or on Windows 10. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead to the search menu, type in Control Panel, go ahead, open that up, and click on Category that's located at the top right, as you can see. Click on Large Icons, and now as you can see, the icons are all categorized by large. Now just go ahead, click on Power Options, and now make sure the selected plan is on Balanced. As you can see, it's recommended, or just change it here. Now just go ahead, close this window. After making sure that the selected plan is on Balanced, go ahead, close the window, go to the search menu, type in Troubleshoot Settings, the best option, go ahead, open that up, click on Other Troubleshooters. And now if you scroll down under Other, click Run on Bluetooth, as you can see, and now you can run a troubleshoot on Bluetooth. This should take a couple minutes, so it's a quick process. All you have to do now is to wait for the troubleshoot to take action. Now after that, this window will pop up. Just click on Yes to run a diagnostics to solve your Bluetooth problem. And now just wait for it to load, as you can see. And after that, just go ahead, click on Continue to proceed. And now the next step I recommend doing is go to the search menu, just type in Device Manager, click on Open, and now this window will pop up. Go ahead, click on the arrow next to Bluetooth, right-click on the driver, and click Update Driver. Now click Browse My Computer, and now click on Let me pick a list of my available drivers. And now just select the Bluetooth driver you have, click on Next, and it will install by itself, as you can see. It's a quick process. Now if you still have a problem with Bluetooth, turn it off. Now just go ahead, type in Settings. Go ahead, open that up, and on the left side, click on Network and Internet, and make sure the airplane mode is turned off, as you can see. So after doing all of that, just go ahead, click on Restart Your Computer, and the problem should be resolved. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.